So I think we're going to have some interesting figure right here on this end. This is turning into the marathon log. Normally I can do 3 or 4 of these like this a day. But this thing, with haying season upon us, it's been getting a little later every time. So you got a neat little bark inclusion right there, but you got some nice grains right there. Not too bad. Let's see how it looks a little bit farther in. Have to get the truck out here and get these slabs out. One day in the sun we've been having up here lately, and these things will be ruined. Oh, that's nice. Really nice figure down this log. Got nice pitch pockets too, which I love. Oh, that bark inclusion went deep. See, that sucks. That one's a little hollowed out right there, that knot. But this playing this down, it's hard to see with the old dirty, old rusty blade. It was a sharp blade, but it's rusty. So for a little while, your cuts kind of get goofy with it. Well, there's going to be some real pretty stuff down here. Look how deep some of these bark inclusions are. That's what this stuff is here. But I had my blade just a little, not quite tight enough. That's when you get this washboard. It really shows up when you get into goofy grain structures. Kind of starts having it move. You get to where it's clean in the middle and there's none of that chatter, but that right there, I mean, and it's really barely there. You only really notice it because of the saw marks from the dirt or whatever that's in here. You hit little dirt and rot pockets like that, and it'll dull your chain, or your chain. It'll dull your blade up pretty good. Alright, give you guys an idea how nice these slabs are. Of course, I don't have even the whole frame, but this is going to make me some beautiful cabinet stock right here. It's got some really beautiful colors in here. I am very happy with that. So I got to get this stuff loaded in the truck. It is getting quite dark here, too dark to film. It's that time of year where I have a lot of trouble getting videos out because it's go from work to the hayfield, whatever I can get done in between. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this. The nightmare log continues. I only have a few more slices to take off. Really, this is kind of embarrassing how long this one's taking. Normally it doesn't take me 3 or 4 nights to get a log milled. It's just the way this one's working out. I only have maybe half an hour, 45 minutes here and there, and then I end up dicking around with other stuff. So that's the way it is. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll catch you on the next one.